Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Visual Studio. So let's have a look now. At first, open Visual Studio Code on your system. Then go to File, click on Open Folder or to create a new project. From here, select an existing folder or create new one to serve as your project directory. Okay, now you can add code files, folder or necessary resources to your project folder. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.